Brightest man in the world.
PJ.
Firm.
Nissan key.
Can you have a look on the Nissan key? They want to know every car and everything. About you.
Yeah, what it?
3 year old.
Come TJ.
3 year old Latina.
What is?
Alright. And you hear that people? 5 days that. Alright. It's a toaster. Who the punish? Alright.
Pass out, boy.
Silver we going to know.
Yeah.
Who the punish $10?
Tell camera.
George William who? Alright. Them money are bright. Are the brightest man in the world that come. $5.
Talk loud, talk loud.
The people in here now want money for the 5 days.
Who the one, eh?
$20.
That one here.
20.
Marcus
Marcus
Garvey.
Garvey.
You know, I'm holding for you now.
Brightest youth in the world. See me? Think a joke. Them money speak all Spanish.
Where the capital?
No.
Look on the camera. Where the capital of Afghanistan?
Kabul.
Kabul. Where the capital of Albania? Tirana. Where the capital of Algeria? Algiers. Where the capital of Andorra? Andorra La Vella. Where the capital of Antigua? Come on.
St.
Where the capital of
John's.
Argentina? Argentina. Buenos Aires. Where the capital of Armenia? Where the capital of Armenia? Yerevan. Where the capital of Australia? Canberra. Where the capital of Austria? Vienna. Where the capital of Azerbaijan? Baku.
You wanna hear that?
Where the capital of Bahamas?
Nassau.
Where the capital of Bangladesh? Dhaka. Where the capital of Barbados? Bridgetown. Where the capital of Belgium? Brussels. Where the capital of Belize? Belmopan. Where the capital of Bolivia?
The brightest youth in the
Where
world.
the capital of Brazil?
You hear that?
Where the capital of Burkina Faso?
Ouagadougou.
Ouagadougou.
All Spanish him speak.
Where the capital of Canada? Ottawa. Where the capital of Chile?
Santiago.
Where the capital of China? Capital of China? Beijing. Where the capital of Colombia? Bogota. Where the capital of the Democratic Republic of the Congo? Kinshasa. Where the capital of Cuba? Havana. Where the capital of Djibouti? Where the capital of Dominican Republic?
Say that again.
Quito. Where the capital of Egypt? Where the capital of El Salvador? San Salvador. Where the capital of Ethiopia?
Man.